Hey guys, welcome back to the latest installment of Life with Tamika. Over here, I love to talk about all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I absolutely love handbags, so I do love to do handbag reviews. If those are things that interest you, please hit that little subscribe button down below. It costs you absolutely nothing. And while you're at it, hit that bell notification so that you're aware each and every time I upload a new video. So it's been a few weeks. I'm sorry, I was absent. I had a lot going on, guys. I was traveling. I was back and forth from the East to the West Coast. I got sick. In between all of that, work has been just really insane. Just some stuff going on with my family. It's just been a whole lot of stuff. So I have just been quite preoccupied. So I'm sorry if you missed me. I definitely missed you guys. But in today's video, I have an exciting unboxing. These items have actually been sitting, waiting on me to unbox. So I'm super excited to actually open them. And we are talking about the Denim Remix collection by Louis Vuitton. So as most of you know, the denim line was released several years ago. I want to say it was like back in 2005. It was a Marc Jacobs, when Marc Jacobs was part of, the creative team for Louis Vuitton. The denim collection, super popular back then. I did not own anything from that collection. There wasn't really, I wasn't into it like that. Like the Murakami, I know that's a really big collection as well. I don't know. Back then, I wasn't really into it. I like the more traditional look. But fast forward 2024, the 1st of January, there was this denim remix collection release, and it was denim bags. There were several denim handbags, several SLGs, and after taking a look at what was being offered, I really didn't like the handbags. Even back in the day, I would say the only one I thought was pretty neat. I mean, they were pretty handbags, right? So I would admire from afar, but not anything that I really wanted to purchase. I always thought the patchwork bag was quite unique. And I'll try to find a picture and insert it. It was made popular, definitely, from Sex and the City, but I just thought that bag was quite unique, very, very different. So if I could probably own something from back then, maybe it would be that, but it would have to be a gift. I probably would not, spend my money to buy it. But anyways, I ordered a few items. I did not like the handbags from the Remix collection. Nothing really sung to me. It didn't really speak to my heart. And I am in that mindset to where I'm not going to just buy stuff just because it's new or it's hot. It really has to make sense for me going forward, because there's handbags in my collection that I bought because they were hot and, I could easily, get access to them. I have a very incredible CA, which stands for client advisor. So I would just buy stuff, but I haven't used a lot of those bags and they're just sitting in my office. So I'm definitely taking a different approach these days. So if it doesn't sing to me, I'm not buying it. And so none of those handbags that were released sung to me. I didn't like any of them, but what I did like were the SLGs, small leather goods. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I am totally, totally a SLG girl. I love pops of color. I absolutely love wallets, coin holders. I love toiletry bags, mini pochettes, you name it. If it's an SLG, I probably absolutely love it. So I did purchase a few SLGs from that Remix collection. If you'd love to see what I purchased, stick around. First item is in this little box. And it's so sad. I pre-ordered this stuff as soon as it was available for pre-order. At the time when I reached out to my client advisor, I told her, I was like, there's been rumors that the quality is not that great with this denim remix collection. So please check my items once they come in store, because I pre-ordered through her. And, let's just make sure they're all good to go, because I have my stuff mailed out to me. So she was kind enough to check over all my items once they arrived in store, and she sent me pictures and she was like, Tamika, they look pretty perfect to me. So let me know your thoughts. And when I looked at the pictures, I was like, okay, we're good to go. So the very first item that I purchased was the key clay. This is this is just the textile card. But I was really excited for this. So the key clay itself, it has a little key holder on it where you could attach your keys, and you can carry it like this with your keys attached. I normally, the way I use these is I usually use them for extra cards. I don't often use the keychain holder. I usually keep that inside of the little pouch, and I use it for extra cards. But this beauty, there's vachetta on the front tab. It has gold hardware. It just says LV. On the inside, it's all denim. On the inside, it just says made in France, if you could see that. And the inside is like introverted denim. It's not, how do I explain this? It's not like the outside. It's almost like the inside of a pair of jeans, right? So can you see that? Anyways, I don't know if that is a good description of what I'm trying to say, but I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's just absolutely adorable. I think it would look good in several of my bags. There is a navy collection coming out and a navy bi-color collection coming out. So there's a pochette Métis in the navy collection that is absolutely gorgeous, and I thought, man, that denim stuff would look really good inside of that navy pochette Métis. So morning when I looked, this particular item was placed in cart on the Louis Vuitton website. So this is the first item that I purchased. Next up, another SLG. Now I have a few of these in my collection, and it's a wallet, spoiler alert, but I absolutely love the idea of this particular wallet, and I carry it a lot. It's one of my legit favorite wallets, and I think because it's so functional, I like it a lot. So the next thing I purchased was the zippy coin holder, or zippy coin purse, I think is actually the proper name for it. And gold hardware. It's the denim throughout. No vachetta is on this. The inside is this beautiful blue leather. And the zippy coin has multiple slots. So there's a outside slot. There's two middle compartments. There is a middle card slot, and then there's a slot on the other side. And then within those outside slots, there's two slots on each side to hold cards, if you could see that. I hold cards like in the slots themselves. I just slide cards in the middle in these two compartments as well. I'll usually put my driver's license in this middle one because that's not something that I really need to take in and out on a, on a routine basis. So that's usually how I utilize my zippy coin wallets. But I absolutely love this thing. I love the actual model itself, right? So zippy coin. But then in the denim, I just thought it was really, really cute. I can definitely see this getting dirty, like depending on how well you took care of your items. I personally like to think that I take great care of my stuff, so I don't have a concern for myself specifically, but this is like something that definitely I can see it getting dingy over the years, depending on how you took care of it, regarding like the wear and tear of it. But I do think that it is definitely made well. I definitely believe it's made well. I absolutely love it. Like I said, my CA had sent me photos of all this stuff when it first came into the store. So I was pretty content, knowing that once I received it, I would be happy with it as far as the quality of the item. So this is the second thing I ordered, and I love it. One of my favorite wallets. And so I'm really happy to have it in this colorway. But the last thing I purchased was a cosmetic pouch. I do not have one of these in my collection. I have several mini pochettes. I have a Toiletry 15. I have Kirigami's, but I did not own a cosmetic pouch. So I was like really excited to get this. So on the sides, there is vachetta with this little in gold, these little dots, and they don't say anything on them. Sometimes they say Louis Vuitton, but these are just solid with no writing. And then the zipper is gold. It's jumbo print, right? Jumbo print. It is denim the whole way around. There's no feet on it. And then when you unzip it, it's denim in the inside. This one was also made in France. And what I thought was cool about this, so there's one little pocket, but I really feel as if you could get away with turning this and reversing it. I don't know if people would carry it like this, because then it kind of makes it harder to zip because you have to zip it from the inside. But I think it's doable, definitely, if you were willing to do that. So I thought that was kind of neat when I first looked at this, the first pictures of it in the lookbook. I thought that was pretty neat, but the inside is just so cute. Now, because this is denim on the inside, I will definitely order a insert from like probably Amazon, because that would be the most cost effective. But there is Zumoni, there's all these different companies that sell inserts, but I'll definitely order a insert just to preserve the inside. Say for instance, if I was putting any type of makeup in here, makeup brushes, I would just want to make sure that I'm not messing up the inside. So I'll definitely be buying a insert for this. Secondly, there's different videos showing you how to convert these. So I might try that as well. Convert it into like a mini crossbody, but this is the cosmetic pouch, and this is the PM size. This did come in a GM size. It's quite big. Definitely not something I personally need, but I thought that was really pretty as well. It's just not something that I knew I would use. So yeah, I am super excited to use these items. Denim collection didn't sing to me as far as the handbags, but these SLGs surely did. And I'm super excited to put them to use. So the morning I'm recording this is March 8th, which is International Women's Day. So to all my women watching this, happy International Women's Day. I hope that you continue to let that fire within you burn, and that we continue to shatter glass ceilings, and that, you know, just we continue to make our mark in this world. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and until next time, be safe.